We are going to fill this car with packing peanuts. This.
Oh my god.
We have this.
Wow, it's bigger. It's huge. I'm kind of excited. I love packing peanuts. Are y'all ready for that? Ready. Yes. Here we go. I'm like so excited about this part.
Oh my god.
This is honestly so fun.
That's a lot of packing peanuts. Obviously, safety is very important.
Yeah, how's the safety device holding up?
The safety device is feeling very
anything
secure.
leaking through?
I have this that's going to go around my feet. It looks completely safe.
Yes. Okay.
It's very secure right now. Keep it coming.
We might be eating some packing peanuts.
What does it look like when you accelerate?
Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Yeah.
Can we get it to go back far enough to fill up the back?
Go get the other bag.
There's not much in the window.
Get the other bag and fill up the back. Let's go. Wow. Mom, get the other bag and fill up the back. Let's go.
All right. I think we got to load the back
Load
up.
the back up?
Yeah, no, we need to go get the other bag.
Just so everybody knows, these are 100% biodegradable. They're made of starch and they dissolve in water.
Can you eat this?
I don't think you're supposed to,
Okay.
but they're made of cornstarch, so...
Bag number 2!
I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking.
Yeah, more. Yeah. You alright, Olivia?
Oh yeah, I'm good. I'm
That's
great. I'm living the life right now.
Living the dream,
I'm loving
huh?
this, yeah.
Micah.
We lost the third one. What do you think about this adventure?
Oh, it's amazing.
Olivia, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling a little bit more nervous now that the car's gonna start moving.
Oh, I can't wait to accelerate.
I'll give you guys 5 minutes, and the first person that can get a friend to come join us will get $100.
Oh my god.
Oh.
5 minutes.
I know.
Counting down.
We're gonna drive while you guys are getting a friend.
Hey, what's up, Olivia?
You want to ride in a Tesla full of
Thanks.
packing
All right.
peanuts?
Wait, what?
Oh my gosh.
Did it go in your mouth?
I mean, I will definitely ride in a Tesla.
Okay.
See ya.
All right, we'll see you in a minute.
$100
We're gonna see how it
back up for
goes.
grabs.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna go through drive-throughs. We're gonna do some more accelerating.
This is Ben. Ben, have you ever ridden in a Tesla?
I have not actually.
Oh boy.
It's biodegradable.
Yeah.
Will it be on my YouTube channel?
How are you driving?
Very carefully.
He has a safety device made of cardboard.
Before I say yes for a drive, let me
Well, I'm already in here. I'm stuck.
We have a YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's called Along for the Ride. You want to be on it?
Sure, I don't really care.
Cool.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
It's a mustache, Dad. Look, Olivia.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Mom,
They're sticking to his shoes.
Hey, there's my wallet.
Look at the safety harness, it did so good. It's so sticky. Yes!
Hit that like button! And make sure you hit that bell also and subscribe. Thank you.